Hello everyone, friends. In general, the repair today will be of these.
Ремонт сегодня будет вот таких вот наушников Defender Bravo HN.
But also 15, so with a microphone the headset is like this and ready sold, already shabby but sure peeled.
Уже потрепанная, без шура облезет. Но не факт, в общем, она...
They say I play well. I mean in games better than even all sorts of riser headphones like these 7151.
Всякие там Razer наушники, вот эти там 7.1, 5.1, 10.1, туда-сюда, 5.0, да?
In general, I don't know who says it works, then it works now. We'll have to look, so to speak, I noticed here.
Сейчас будем, так сказать, смотреть. Я тут заметил, тут вот...
Everything is loose. Here, everything inside is loose. Here, they say, there's some problem. But I don't know. If only this is the problem, it will be good, of course. Now I'll plug it into the computer. Here at the end, there are two jacks. 3.5, yes. 3-pin, it seems like there are none of these here, but it's not a fact. Maybe there's a break there too. Of course, we have one microphone. We have another headphones, so now I'll turn them on, and there it will already be visible that.
И там уже будет видно, что, к чему, почему, зачем вообще, почему, что случилось и так далее. Что-то я чушь какую-то сегодня несу, вы не обращайте внимания, не знаю почему. Так, значит, наушники у нас. Первый микрофон, второе. И ничего не произошло. Обычно с другим до обновления винды
There was a program whether it showed where everything was connected, how much, what resistance. For something with this fucking video with the new update, all this disappeared somewhere, I don't know why. It was convenient, and in short, I'll still reinstall this fucking update I don't need. On 17.09, in my opinion, the version is either 18.2 or 18.3, what is it? But not this, here, 18.09, which was the May update. Some crap is flying by now. I didn't block them at all, but as soon as I reinstall the video, I'll completely cut them off so that they can't even get onto my computer. Well, of course, until Microsoft there. In short, they don't make some third-party ones.
Короче, какие-то посторонние эти шумы в наушниках присутствуют. Сейчас я ходил на голову. О, такой гул идет.
And for some reason it plays only, yeah. AAA, yes. The thing, AAA, the thing is right here. I'm touching them now, I'll turn on some, can be.
Сейчас включу какое-нибудь музло. Музло. Так.
But there's no music. What kind of speakers do we have?
Что у нас? Динамики.
Where are they? Yeah, right. There's some kind of break here. For some reason there's no music. That's weird. Okay. Open sounds playback. Nothing.
Воспроизведение. Ничего нету. Так, почему
For some reason they're not displayed. Oh no, here's the microphone, I think.
Микрофон вроде работает, но, блин, они так фонят. Это ужас просто.
I was a little angry with my player.
Это я немножко залупил у меня проигрыватель.
The player was on minimum. Well, damn. Why are they making so much noise? For fuck's sake. Oh, and what else is on this side? Oh, on this side. Now 2 channels are playing. But for some reason the background is terrible. Okay, how can I turn off the microphone here? I turned off the microphone and everything became normal. And our problem is right here. Everything plays. Everything plays. Okay, so what? Should we open the box? Damn, how I hate opening these boxes. If you only knew. Okay, what do we have here? Damn, it's probably glued on, right? These sticks. It's probably glued on. Because for some reason. Some small tool.
Инструмент. А нет, смотрите, открывается. Открывается. Ой.
Damn, there's so much dirt in there. Okay, that's not the point. Let's open it and see what's going on in there. What's the matter? Damn, I just cut my nails yesterday. I don't have any nails. I'll cover it up a bit here. Let's try to do it from this side and... Ah, damn. I did the same thing, like some kind of wire. It seems to have started to give in. There seems to be a guide, and small ones like these, it closes on this side. It's okay. There's something The one who opened it. Things like this. Well, everything is so neglected here. So, what do we have here?
Сейчас играют оба наушника.
Stand, and what was the matter? Was it short-circuiting something? Yes, definitely, definitely.
Точно, точно.
Because now everything is playing well? Yeah. This variable resistor is acting up a little.
Немножко барахлит.
When you turn it all the way to the left, the earphone, in short, goes more sound. And when you turn it back a little,
Звук больше уходит. А когда чуть-чуть назад,
everything is fine. But I won't repair it. I'll take it apart. I'll put it back together so that it doesn't short-circuit anything, and that's it.
ничего не замыкало. И все.
Okay, so we have this here.
Значит, это у нас сюда.
Yeah. Okay, how do you do it here?
Опять так же, что ли? Это сюда.
I suggest turning it a little like this and threading it here.
Сюда продеть. Блин, этот выпал, да?
No, it doesn't want to do it like that without the cover. In short, do it like this. Oh well, we'll fix it now. Damn it, like this.
Так вот. Оп. Блин, все тянет.
Of course, without two more hands it would be great for me. As it turns out, this
Было бы замечательно. И у нас, походу, вот это вот
was blocking and short-circuiting the wires. Okay, let's try to close it like this. So our wire got caught. Damn it.
проводок попал. Черт возьми.
Ah, well, it's okay. It's inside there. It didn't get caught anywhere. It works.
Все, закрываем крепко-крепко. Вот так вот.
That's it.
Вот так
That's
вот.
it. That's
Вот
it.
так вот.
Well, that's it. No more bullshit.
Никаких КЗ нету.
You see how simple repairs can be.
Простые ремонты.
There's nothing complicated at all in principle. Everything works for us. Everything's great. Everything's great. Everything's good.
Все отлично. Все хорошо.
That's all for this simple repair, friends. So see for yourself if...
Так что смотрите сами, если не боитесь.
Open it, look, figure it out. Especially since they're already old. My nephew got them from somewhere I don't know. These are old headphones. They say they're still fine. Well, despite their condition, they sound pretty good compared to other headsets and headphones. There's bass, highs, mids, everything's present. As a very picky person when it comes to music, I like this. Of course there could have been more high-end clocks, but when you turn it up to full, it's pretty good. This was the kind of simple repair that was done. Not even a repair. I don't know what that is. Probably, there is no way to fix it, right? It is interesting. It goes into the ear itself. Basically, there. How can I show you? Here, chick. There must be something there holding it, but of course I will not disassemble them. Although it is possible, they probably have screws under this thing. Or maybe not. Maybe it is just yes. It is most likely on a latch. Just... Well, as they say, they work, don't meddle. We had a malfunction. I fixed it. It turns out that it was not here, but here. I simply shortened the wires between each other. I drove it the other way, pressed it down, closed it, and that's it. If it does not open, but it should not. You saw for yourself how much effort it takes to open. There will be no problems. That's all. Good luck to all, friends. May your repairs be successful. By everyone. See you soon.